if my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alexi and we're back with another video. So today you guys are gonna be spending the day with me. I still haven't put up the curtains yet, so again, ignore that. But today we're gonna be to decorate a baby shower. We're gonna be doing the backdrop, and we also have to attend because it's one of my friends' baby shower. So I was downstairs doing some work. Yeah, I've officially made it upstairs and I'm about to eat. Boy, the sun, man, the sun. I'm about to eat and then I'm gonna start getting ready, in which the sun is so hot. Okay, in which I have to do my lashes and I need to find something to wear. So far, oh my gosh, it is so bright. So far, guys, I also have some part that I was gonna drink. Am I the only one? Everybody guess what's in this bag? This is how big the bag is. I can't be the only one who have a bag with cluster lashes. Like all in this bag. Let me show you guys. In this entire bag, they're all cluster lashes. Like whole heap. But I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna do my lashes. Then I'll come back to you guys when we're trying to find something to wear. I had an outfit in mind, but I don't think it's gonna work because the shirt is not as big as I wanted. And my next white shirt that I could use is not washed. So I need to figure out a next outfit quick and fast. Okay guys, ignore the hair, ignore the laundry in the back. I just got done fixing my hair. I did my lashes. I don't know, so I'm gonna really like the lashes. And for some reason, all of them in the bag is the same thing. But I took my jewelry off like 2 days ago. Like I took off everything. I am currently gonna put them back on before I start getting ready, because if I'm late I'm not gonna have any time to put them on back. So I am doing that right now as we speak. Okay guys, so we just got done taking a shower and I'm currently about to start my makeup. So I just wanted to update you guys. It is 4:12. We should be leaving by 4:30. So I'm gonna do a quick and fast makeup real quick so we can get out of here. And I must start with the makeup.
One more rose, guys. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks to touch your speed. My side, triple now.
Guys, use the triple, please.
Triple.
Can't tell because they want lie and they do.
Hey guys, so we are in the U-Haul. We're on our way. What a fun if my hair tangle up, wrap up, mash up. Me not look on the hair in people.
Oh, the AC fix the whole man.
Guys, oh gosh, me I crush up the shirt. Me not think I wear either way.
Hey guys.
Guys, me not look on my hair. Mommy is here.
Hi.
The others are in the back. But look at my hair all now. So I don't know if it come out good. I don't know how the makeup is looking. I have on this bag here, so with brush, roll on, perfume, budget binder, garbage bag, water, perfume, flat iron, earpod, everything. But we're like 20 minutes away, so head is still tied up, but we are almost done. This is it so far.
Like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blind, yeah, bitch, I'm drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop asking. Listen to me, baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all niggas hot psych, I'm gassing. Clowns, I spot them and I can't stop laughing. Easy come, easy go.
Yes. Back in the car, about to change my top. Why me feel like me did I go wash my face, but I have on makeup that you know that though. I'm gonna be fresh enough after this. I didn't get that setty, so I guess that's good. Guys, so I have changed in the chat. Let me turn this down. Why so loud? I am something like that. Can I hear our people? See our brother? The man don't change. You're wicked. She said the man changed and the man not change. She wicked bad. Outfit. I changed the top to a next top. I don't even think you guys can see it.
Guys, if mommy let me get copyright medal for but yeah. What
if you got time to waste, we're still breathing. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time. I mean honestly, if you gonna waste your time. Close your eyes to get away.
Oh my god. The next baby shower going to the gym. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. You have one that I showed her and he's still
She with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweeping room daily for